Yellow pancit canton is my favorite. First of all, kumalma ka, Bumi, ha? Diyan sa mga all caps mo na yan. Excuse me, honey. Just need to handle this. You don't want to do this with me. Sa lahat ng mga yellow OG pancit canton lovers dyan, walang kwenta ang yellow pancit canton. I said it. I said it. Okay? Walang kwenta. That is how I truly feel. Calamansi, chili mansi, and spicy are the only valid flavors for pancit canton. Yun na yun. Don't start this beef with me. Okay? It is a beef that you will not win dahil walang panlasa at walang lasa ang OG pancit canton na yan. Alam mo ba yung, plain rice? Plain rice, sabihin na natin. Sinong kumakain ng plain rice lang? Who eats white rice only? Yan ang plain pancit canton. That is yellow. It's like white rice by itself. Don't test me. And don't try to beef with me on this. Matatalo kayo.